In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the two drive belts in this Craftsman T110 lawnmower, at least what's left of it, and I'm going to make it real easy for you. This is Rudy from Take a Bath Productions with another video showing you how to fix various things. If you're a subscribed member to my community, then welcome back. If you're new to this channel, consider clicking on that subscribe button below, and please like this video if it was helpful for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do here is remove the battery. Okay, so you can get at the pulleys that are underneath. Being careful when you're undoing these bolts not to accidentally do that and short that against the frame while the negative is hooked up. I've got the negative disconnected, but just be careful with that. And just get that out of the way. Now we can get to the pulleys better. Next, we're going to need to remove this upper belt right here. It goes around these three pulleys. To do that, you're going to have to release the tension spring that's right there where the arrow's pointing. I got my light shining right there on that. We got to release that. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. And then after we do that, we're going to need to remove this pulley right here that's actually on the transmission. Reason being, you probably can't see it on the camera, but the belt is so close to the frame right there where I got the light shining that it's like a belt guard and the belt won't come off right there. So to fix that, we just have to remove the pulley. It's not hard. Unfortunately, they put this bar right here right over top of the nut, so it makes it hard to get a socket on there, but a 7/8 wrench will fit that and take care of that. All right, here's where the tension spring comes out on the frame right here. It's pretty easy. You can try to grip that with vice grips, but I actually found this very simple tool that I made right here. I just took a paint key, an ordinary paint key, and heated up the end and curled it back like that. It makes a good hook, and I also hooked it with vice grips so that I had something good to grab to. There we go. Okay, so I've removed the body here just for filming purposes. And no way do you have to remove the body to get to the places that I'm going to be. I just did it so I can film it better and you can see it better. You've got cubby holes through here, your battery is here, you got holes here, and then you've got more cubby holes on this side. So it's really no problem to get to all this stuff. Okay, so to get this wheel off here, there's some holes in it. What I usually would like to do is just drop a screwdriver down in the holes right there. See, it's locked. And just take that 7/8 wrench and get this loose. There we go, no big deal. Came right loose. Now you're going to want to do this with the deck in the up position because when the deck is down, this lever right here gets in the way of the pulley and it gives you a hard time to try to get that pulley out of the way. So I'm going to try to reach only where areas where you could reach anyway, like through the cubby holes, right? All right, get the nut out of the way. Now you can take the pulley, I'm reaching through the battery, and just kind of scoot it out of the way like so. Get the belt off of it, pull it up, and you might have to turn it to get it up where the battery is and get it out of the way. Now you can get the belt off. Remember, we took the tension spring off earlier. All right, there we go. There's one belt down, one to go. And by the way, I will post the part numbers for this particular mower for the belts in the description. Okay, so I've got the front of this mower jacked up pretty good. Now the goal is to remove this pulley from the engine, but the problem is this bar right here is kind of in the way. And when you take the bolt loose, you can't get this to come down enough, and this will stop it from doing that. So you have to remove this bar right here from the deck. Now I've got some things stacked up right here to catch the deck. I don't like to let it hang just on that weight. It's not good for it. That's just me. I've already removed the cotter pin from the bar, so just pull that out, and I'm going to let the deck rest on my boxes that I've made. Now next we have to remove this right here so that we can get the deck belt out of the way. This is just one bolt right here and this whole bracket comes off. 1/2-inch socket. Take the deck belt off, make sure the deck lever is disengaged, otherwise you're going to have a hard time getting that off of there. But we still have to get this pulley off. Now, I've already taken this off, and I found that it was Loctited pretty bad. It was hard to get off, so if you run into that, hopefully your bolt won't break. It's a hardened bolt. It shouldn't break, but mine was Loctited on there and pretty difficult to get off. And this should pull right off of here. Right now, we can get the belt off. Alright, so all I did was release it from the back pulley. There was nothing to show there. It came right off, and now the belt is out and free. Okay, I got the belt slipped back up in there. I'm probably going to fast forward the rest of the video because it's the exact same thing I just showed you, except in reverse. Let's go ahead and put the pulley back and get started. Alright, so that's pretty much it. We're all working again. Everything's back together. Obviously, I need to put the body back on, but that's got nothing to do with the belt replacement. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video.